So welcome back, guys. This is Saicom, yeah, and today we will also discuss about the same things and computer stuff and basics and hard and do and the and blah blah blah. So basically, yeah, don't mind the pronunciation, please. So basically, what I'm trying to do here just telling a story like One Piece from the basis to like Nika, not Nika. There is a anime character like this from the anime. It is kind of yeah. So what I'm trying to basically tell is here. I will start from like the atoms or electron, proton, neutrons, or the you know what do you call those things? Spins, up spin, down spin. What do you call this? Also strings. That's just strings. Yeah, string theory is theoretical fully, but yeah, still. I will start from the strings and made a compound, and then bacteria, then a human being. Yeah, this is from the basic, from the elements of life, the elements of everything to a living being. Yeah, that's what I am trying to do here. You will relate it if you can connect and know this small stuff, and yeah, it will be much better and more fun to learn like this if you can connect this to this. It's like this. There are like 4 or 5 dots and you are connecting this. It's pretty geometric. Or you can even connect like this. You can also connect like this this. Yeah, there are many ways. Yeah, it's kind of looks like a cone here. If you like draw some things, now this part here is just ice cream. Beautiful. And this is happiness. So this is basically happiness here. What I'm trying to say is we will trying to learn from the basis and go beyond. So here today just talking to you guys. You can see there are some things written here, some historical language, not historical language, but yeah. This problem here specifically called the not problem, is just printing the Fibonacci numbers. Yeah, I think I solved it correctly. I haven't checked it. Yeah, just randomly did it and did a verification. This thing is particularly called a thing which I have forgot. What was the name? Yeah, I have forgot this. Like these are the answers. Like if I execute this program, then these things will run. This is a like blank run, or what do you call this thing? I forgot just. Yeah. So what I am basically trying to do here is this. You understand this? If you can understand this, that means you know this is specific program is written in C. And if you can understand this, then you are learning, or you are a specialized C programmer. C programmer, yeah. So basically, what's here is a C program, and if you can't understand it, that's why you are here. Like that's why you're going through YouTube. And before learning this, like trying to understand this, you first have to learn many things, like what is a program, what is there, what are C, C++, Java, Python. Yeah, these are the like, most popular ones, and there are many more, like C has, and there are really many more here. There are like hundreds of coding languages, and no, a single person doesn't know all of them. But yeah, if you try, you can. But why you should try? Yeah, it's your choice. Of this basically, it's your choice. If you want to learn all of the languages out there, you can. You can teach them, learn them. At the last moment, your main point is to earn. Basically, yeah, you have to earn, then do everything after a certain age. Yeah, don't going deep inside in that thing. But my basic things to say here is, if you want to learn this, understand these codings, what are C, Python, Java, CSS, C++, C has, what I did here, a white run or what you call this thing, yeah. You have to first understand the basics, which you will learn here. You can already go to YouTube and learn these things, like what are these, but you know the base needs to be hard, like the base needs to be really good for the house to stand. If you have a good base, then the house will stand up for generations. You need to choose a specific video, like a good video which makes your base the best. Like, you will do the all the work, it will just give you the information at the right time, not all the time, but it will give you the information at the right time. Each video you will see, it will with a specific thing, like all the work needs to be done by you, all the brain work. The main thing a teacher teaches you or a video will teach you is giving you the information and some elementary information or complex things which will help you to program or learn computer science. It's the basic things of a teacher, nothing else should be done. But for a good teacher, the good teacher is always who does it with preciseness. Yeah. So basically you will do all the work and just the teacher will only give you the information at the right time, if you are eligible for it. Yeah, you shouldn't judge it by yourself, the teacher should. Your main thing is be good at it. The teacher will help you from a different from a way, and you will teach yourself the rest of the things actually. Yeah, the main brain work should be 100% should be done by you, not 100%, then 99.5%. Yeah, the 0.5% is just the teacher's thing. And yeah, if you are not able to do, like, you can just do some problem solving in the internet. You can find many problem solving questions, like there is also a problem solving questions for robotics. What can be the shortest path? A shortest path question, like, this is very random, I just saying, but the main thing is, what can be the shortest path? Like, there's a box here. Yeah, you can see it. So there's a box here and there are 3 steps. So you can go like this, or this, or this. This is a wormhole, this thing. Yeah, wormhole. You go through this and come out of here. This thing is 4, 5 or 6 times something. Yeah, so obviously the shortest path for you, because you have this is a wormhole, would be this. But how did you know? I told you. I know this thing is a wormhole because I made this thing, these 3 things. But if I just randomly put it here and leave you here, like you are this circle, then how would you know that which part is the shortest? You are trying to find here is what is the shortest path, but you don't know what are these things is, what are the paths here. What is the shortest path? You don't know what are here. Like, are there any spikes or something? You don't know. You have to analyze these things by going through them. First you can do is Yeah, there's can be another path making it more complex and complex. Yeah, because why not? I have a marker. I have a marker. Here, this is very random thing which I am doing right now. Here, you are this circle. Let's write you because my yeah I can't make jokes. Sorry. Here, what could be the shortest path? You are here. Okay, you are a two-dimensional being. Okay, you are a two-dimensional being, and what? Just imagine yourself that I want. If I can ever in the future like put holograms here to make you like moving holograms to make you visualize the things. I don't prefer holograms because the imagination should be done by a human brain, not a electronic thing. For the imagination should be 100% done by your brain. You need to have that power. Yeah, it's compulsory. If you go through like see like the 3D holograms and stuff or just holograms or moving videos which say a wall is rotating, you will see the wall rotating in the yes, yeah, it's okay, it's faster to learn, but you are not getting the power of imagination from it, which can help you in, you can say, worse scenarios. Yeah, you don't want to think about those scenarios. Anyways, let's remove this part. Yeah, so here you have to analyze, like go through every route here and see which one is the shortest. So what one can do is, because you are one person, first you will go through here, then there, here, and get out of from this path. Then you will go, because then while returning you can go through this path, this right angle triangle is this path. Okay, you can also go through here while returning, or here, or again go here. There are many ways, like how many combinations are there for okay. Then at the last, because this is the last path and logically you will go here at the last, there are like 33.33333 chances of you going here or here or here at the beginning. Of course, you just divide 100 by 33. I did the math right? Yeah, maybe. So if you choose at the beginning here, here, then you can obviously see this is the shortest path, because while you are here in a human, from the human perspective, you can see what are there, like there's always should be light, of course. There is nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. There could, like, not here, not here. When you are going here to here, you are already traveling a lot. Like if you stand here, like imagine you go through this path and go here. Okay, not even here, just stand this area. You didn't go at here at the first time, and stand at this dot. There is light, so you can see there is a long path here and two paths dividing here. Then you see there is a long path, so you return and go here and see here, like because it's a wormhole should be black, I guess, because they don't give away light, as I think, or I have read it from somewhere. Okay, so basically because of curiosity and you have no value of your life, not like you, like if you go through here and see a random black hole and go there, yeah, who has like his life value in, so and he just randomly goes there. Like who does that? Yeah, but in a situation like this you should like go in the where you don't know the thing. It's like it could be your last day or not. on living. Basically, you will go here and whoop. See, you just went here to here in a blink of an eye, not even a blink of an eye. So basically, what's happening here is, as you have analyzed these two paths from while standing here, you can say that these two paths were long enough and there were no black holes or no wormholes. So these paths should be long, and as you went here and unknowingly teleported to here as you were, so you can obviously see that this path is the shortest because there are nothing black hole type things here, as you have seen it from while standing here. There are, like, if you say stand here, that means there are only two paths now, because here and here this broader path divides into two places, or three places. Yeah, here's this and this. Okay, but this path and this path only has one, so there's 50-50 chance of you going both of the ways. Now it's you analyzing and seeing the stuff using light, seeing, yeah. But what about a computer, you say? Like, a computer, say, thinks this as ones and zeros and ones and zeros. There's like those Service Surfer games or Mario games. They collect the coins and go like that, bloop 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 bloop. Yeah, but this time you don't know the coins. If there are like billions of coins everywhere, so what would the computer do is eat ones and zeros, and go through whoop, 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 every way, every path possible in a few seconds or so, because it's a small area. Yeah, it's a very small area, and go through every possible ways there is, and give you the result. It basically is it basically use the time, yeah, time to calculate what is the shortest path, and it would also use wormhole if you can code a wormhole in a computer. Yeah, like you are coding a computer to make a it's like you're coding a computer to make the puzzle, and another computer thing is trying to find this what is the shortest path. Why? To train the computer, or you say AI. Yeah, it is pretty complex. You didn't get the half of the things, like not even half. Like you didn't even get one fourth, one fifth, one sixth of the things, and that's why you should learn from the basics. I just randomly wasted your time. Not wasted your time, just taught you why you shouldn't walk through, like you're here standing there and you want to go there. Okay? If you try to jump, you may fall. This is taking a risk. Risks should be taken sometimes, but when you have the way, like you don't have to take the risk and everything will be okay, and you will have the same result if you a few waited a few moments or a few hours or a few years or a few months. Then you should, until it's like you need to take the risks for it's urgent or something. So that's why you need to learn from the basics. That's actually the thing I wanted to tell you guys in this way. I'm not reviewing that code. I need to send it to my teacher. Yeah. I actually took a year or so doing this. Like I just forgot about this question. I in the beginning, like one when he first gave me this question, as there are like 9 and 12 students there. When he first gave me this question, I was like, okay, Fibonacci numbers 0 1 1 2 0 1 1 2 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 and so goes on. So here basically what he just did, give us question and give us time to solve it, and a few students solved it there. I was not able to solve it, and I don't remember if he gave the solution to us because I just completely forgot about this thing. I don't think he gave the solution, and randomly I just remembered it today. So I thought about it and yeah, basically solved it. It's basically me randomly thinking about problems and solving it. If I have the mood, of course. Problem solving kind of depends on the mood and kind of depends on the time and movement or something. Yeah. If your mood is pretty bad and rough, like, yeah, I don't want to live. So basically, then you shouldn't solve the problem at that specific moment, but come round and solve it after a few moments if your mood is okay. Yeah, you should try to make your mood better as soon as possible to face the problem. Yeah, you should in life and also in programming. Yeah. So this is basically it for today. I will post a few like important things after a certain time. So basically this is it for today. See you guys in the next one. And yeah, I will post important things which are meaningful to you guys after a few days or so. Just I need to go slow here. Yeah, I'm pretty nervous kind of right now. I will, I will, believe in me. I will post perfect computer related stuff with like useful information. Yeah, this information was also useful, but you need to work. So I will post those that kind of videos after a few days. Until then, take care. See you in the next one. Bye.